Hey friends, it's Alam here, and this is one of the first videos that I'm uploading on this channel. And from this point onwards, I'll be uploading different engineering tutorials on different engineering concepts, as well as some other engineering softwares such as Ansys and Autodesk Inventor. So I really hope that my tutorials help you understand your concepts better and to improve your overall grades. So without further ado, let us start with the very first video on this channel. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning on how to find the force components Fx and Fy for a 300 Newton force which is acting 20 degrees from the x-axis. So before we start off, let us first redraw this image, sorry, this figure. So it's a 300 Newton force. This is your Fx, and the force is making 20 degree from the x component, whereas your vertical component is the Fy. So from the figure you can see that over here it's a right angle triangle. So we have a hypotenuse, we have the base, and we have the height. So our hypotenuse is 300 Newton, our base is Fx, and our height is Fy. And again, all these I'm writing for you to understand better. Once you really get the hang of it, there's no need to just separately write it out. And we also have a theta, which is of 20 degrees. So using this formula, sine theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We know that theta value is 20, our perpendicular is Fy, and our hypotenuse is 300. So rearranging the equation, we get Fy is equals to 300 sine 20. And same goes for Fx as well. Cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. So cos 20 is equals to base, which is Fx, and hypotenuse, which is 300. So our Fx becomes 300 cos 20. Therefore, our Fy and Fx components are 300 sine 20. Make sure that your calculator is in degrees because the theta is in degrees as well. So it's 102.61 Newton, and for Fx it's cos 281.91 Newton. So that's it. Our Fy component is 102.61, whereas our Fx component is 289.91. That should be it in this tutorial. I really hope for any of the students which are struggling to understand their simple Fx components, it helped you out. And please like this videos and share with your friends who are having similar troubles. And in the future as well, you will be finding more tutorials in depth to help you understand your engineering concepts better. So have a good day. Until then, see ya. Bye.